All right, I got a couple things going on today. For the newer Oli, the one we use daily, I want to change out the blade on it, and I want to change out the board brush because that one right there has been used down to basically nothing. But the focus of the morning has been over here on the backup Oli. This new Oli just went down for about a week because we blew the spider gears in the front diff. So we were using this. I came in today, Monday, and found that, well, it's completely broken off of where it should be. It shouldn't be doing that. So there's a couple things I need to do. One, we need to make sure this is greasable, this pin. And right now, right now it's not because the Zerk fitting broke off. It's just not there anymore. So I'm gonna knock out that pin and tap the Zerk fitting and put a new one in. As far as why it's hanging off, if you look down below here, you'll see where there used to be a bolt there. I don't know what happened. Normally when that breaks, it breaks completely off in there, and boy is that just a fun time right there. So that's just a 1/2-inch coarse thread bolt. I'm just gonna tap that out and reattach. Yeah, it's weird. There's just a little clump of metal right there. I actually don't even think I need to tap much here, which is really nice because I don't have the right holder for this. I'm just gonna have to use crescent wrench. Oh yeah. Got it. All right. Cool. We should have normal operation of the board brush now. Oh yeah. Beautiful. To remove this pin, I really should just have to take a hammer and punch and hammer it down and out. I may have to apply some heat. I'm not really sure how this is gonna go. Last time I tried this, I just had a hell of a time. I think I just heard it laugh at me. Let's see who's laughing now, baby. Keep it coming, keep it coming. Bam! Oh, that did it. It's moving now. Oh shit, my hammer. Yeah, it's coming now. Boy, you just really have to be relentless. There it comes. Oh no, now what? No, no, Sam, why? Oh no. Oh no. Sam, what are you doing? What are you doing? Give it back. Oh! Now let's get this. I don't really know what my game plan is here. Just to try and get it going. Now let's see if we can't grease this up. That was the whole point of doing all this. Okay, so we'll get that guy going. Okay. Still not easy to get grease in, but I did see it come out of the bottom, so I know it's going through. So I'm gonna call this good enough since it is just the backup. Now these are not bad to replace. It's just a 9/16 wrench is really all you need. And there's 4 of them. Holy shit, sir. Oh, I guess there's only 3. This is where it gets to be kind of a pain in the butt. Okay, just like that. All right, let's try this pig out. Cool. I think I'm going to do a blade change and put that in another video because this has been pretty board brush heavy, so I'll just keep it at that. Thanks for watching.